Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Need help? Great. I got the backer board off. Now Tony's got to carry all that to the dumpster. This is the house before we get floors on Wednesday. Alrighty, they're done with the floors.
How much time did I save you?
I don't know, how long have I been doing this? And I got that part done. And I was all proud of myself because it took me an hour and a half to do the haul.
I did that in 5 minutes. It's okay.
Whatever. Anybody can do it the easy way. Great. I got the backer board off. Now Tony's got to carry all that to the dumpster.
Okay, it's all yours.
Could take it out. I was gonna record you. I don't think I want that one back there.
So I was wondering if you actually wanted that or not.
No. I mean, it's useful and they're expensive, but I really want the cabinet space on that side. And we can put shelves on that wall. I want the countertop. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Hey.
Need help? Hey. This is the house before we get floors on Wednesday. So we've painted all of the walls. This is the small living room. This had tile on it, and Here is the kitchen, which yes, we did paint it this dark color. This tile did not match that tile that was in there, and there was lots of it missing. And we took the cabinets out that were like this, and they didn't quite survive, and they're in Tony's workshop out there. Sorry if you can't see through the dirty window. But he's going to repurpose them for there, and we've got new cabinets that need to be painted. Over here is going to be a narrow line of these kind of cabinets, so only a foot deep, and they're going to go all the way across the bottom, and then we're going to have shelves all the way up there. Right here is going to be just a kitchen table, and eventually we'll have sliding glass doors or double French doors right there going out to what it will either be a porch or a bigger living room someday. So, but this is the before. We're also going to update the lighting situation in there. Oh, that's what I was going to say, how dark the walls are. Everything in here is going to be natural wood toned. So it's going to be super, super bright. And it's going to look amazing with the natural wood against the dark colors of the walls. So, and then the hall is going to be getting new floors. This was all a disaster. Again, new fresh coat of paint on everything. The bathroom. So the bathroom had black mold. And this is our new bathtub, Tony and the plumber put in. New wall, new sheetrock, new beadboard. They had their bathtub not even connected to the plumbing, and it was just running under the house and into the walls and into the floor, hence all of the black mold. That window needs to be replaced. But for right now, we just wanted to get everything in that we could so the flooring guys could come in. Over here, I had Tony build this for me between the baseboards, and this is going to be in wall shelving with double doors that open so that we can have some storage space in here, because this is a small house. It doesn't have a whole lot of storage. This is just going to be closed in. I could put more shelving there, but really I don't have, there's nothing for me to hang walls or pictures on. So right here is going to be my few little decorative plate touches. There's a big space between the toilet and here, so this is where the towel rack and such, toilet paper and all that will be. Over here we got a brand new vanity, and of course big mirror, and on this side we'll have little shelves for our personal things on each side. Someday we might add on a second bathroom, but right now that's the only bathroom. I'm not going to go through all this, but there's bedroom. Well, I can't show you the flooring in there because the electricity is turned off until we get the new fixtures. This is our office, which again has painted, but that's the flooring. It's covered in dust from all the sheetrock we've been doing, but that's the office space. And the last room, which, you know what, I'm just going to open these windows so you guys can see a little bit. All right, so this is kind of a stormy bluish gray, and this is going to be the girls' room, the guest bedroom, but I've always called it Aubrey's room, but really it's Aubrey and Winnie, and Winnie's room is my niece's, and it's the guest room, but it has all the childhood memorabilia stuff in it and things that they love. But she has a canopy bed that would go in here. It might fit over that window with the canopy, but if not, we went ahead and painted the ceiling a darker color, so we might could put twinkle lights or something up there. But Aubrey, who is 9, helped paint the walls, so have to give her some points for that, or recognition for that. All right, again, the windows are closed, so it's pretty dark in here. But this is the bedroom, which is huge. Everything that we've been using to renovate is in this room right now. The new vanity, the ugly green wall that I've painted. That's the third shade of green. I've got a new green that I'm going to do. That's the second shade of green. I'm a little bit colorblind, so it's a problem. Anyway, this beautiful desk that's going to go in the office for Tony. Yeah, so this is the massive bedroom with the tiny weird closet, all of our plumbing stuff, some gardening stuff, lawn chairs, his table saw, air compressor, all this stuff. That's lighting for the bathroom. Got off Facebook Marketplace. Got all of those for $50, which was a steal. All my various colors of paint. The shower curtain and things for the vanity that are waiting to be installed. But we had to put everything in here now so that the flooring guys can get in on Wednesday. But this is all of the flooring will be matched to this. We went with the glue down type, which they did a little cement floaty underlayment or whatever to even out all of this stuff from the subfloor. That was part of the problem with the tile in here. It had cracked because of the house leveling and things like that. So we needed to go with something that was more flexible. So all these cracks will be closed in. Tony's already did a lot of caulking on the big ones and on the ones that went all the way through. He had to replace this subfloor in the bathroom. He replaced, that's new, that's new, that's new, that's newish. No, but all of that is new flooring that he had to put in. We went ahead and did some kilts, odor and stain blocking, just to help with the whatever remaining musty smells from under there and to kill some of the black mold that he already treated multiple times. We did that on all the bedrooms because of animal smells, because all those rooms were carpeted and the animal smells had soaked into the subfloor. In here, like I said, it was tile, so that's not so much of an issue. So I didn't feel like we needed to paint these floors since they're going to get underlayment on them and stuff anyway. But give you a little peek of what things used to look like on the walls, which I'll post some videos too. But the walls were not nice, and it's amazing what a fresh coat of paint will do. But we'll either replace these vents or take them down and clean them and paint them. But yeah, so we still have a long ways to go, and most likely these baseboards are going to have to be replaced or lowered down a little bit. But this is the intermediate phase of housing remodel. Alrighty, they're done with the floors. Ooh. Wow. Let's go look at the bathroom. So they said they had to put weights down on the seams and to leave them there until tomorrow. 24 hours. Put your tools on them. Look at that. And now for the bathroom. That's okay. I think this is my favorite room.